everyone, thank you for tuning in. So this is episode 4 of my series Makeup for the Beginner, and today I'm going to be talking about concealer, right? Okay, so with concealer, there's many different products out there, different brackets, price brackets for different budgets. Oh, I'm just trying to open this palette. Okay. So if you're starting out with makeup, you're probably wondering what are all these color ones for, right? So first of all, in terms of concealer, what it's used for, it's to highlight. Concealer is the trick if you have circles under your eyes or dark lines. Concealer makes you look more awake, okay? And you typically use it under your eyes. You can highlight your T section as well, because that thing makes the face look, it sculpts your face more. I don't know if you can see that. My inside of my face is lighter than over here. We have contoured and have bronzer and things on, right? So that is the purpose of concealer. And to choose a concealer, like, you don't have to buy this palette, right? This is if you're getting more serious in terms of makeup. If you're looking for a concealer, you need to go 2 shades lighter than your skin color. So if your color is cocoa or nude, right, you need to go then maybe ivory as your concealer color. You need to go 2 shades lighter, just in order to highlight the inside of your face, to highlight the inside of your face. Then also in terms of color correction, I'll just explain to you the purpose of the color correction. You will see here's a green one, here's orange. So green, if you have acne, right, if you have problem skin, the green will contradict the redness on your face. Or even if you just burst out in pimples randomly, if you get that period pimple just before your period type thing, PMS pimples, whatever, the green one will cover up the redness. So this you then apply before you add your foundation, and it will just eradicate that redness. The orange one, or red in some cases, it's next to the green over here, that one is so if you have dark marks, it will lighten that mark. So for example, if you have dark under eye circles, add the orange one. I don't know, I'm sure you guys have seen some makeup tutorials where we won't even put lipstick, red lipstick under the eyes. You can do that. Myself, however, I don't I prefer to use concealer, because it's actually meant for that purpose. So there are different types of concealers over here. You can see the different palettes have different types of shades also. So there's like more orange colored ones over here, but there's like a lighter, brighter one, and there's a more pale one. And then over here there's more lavender, pinkish colored ones. So sorry about that, my throat was really scratchy. So the pinkish lavender colored ones, those ones are more for brightening up your face. So if your face is dull, those ones can help you with that. Like I said, it's applied underneath foundation, not on top, as opposed to these ones can be applied on top. The one that you're going to take two tones lighter than your skin color. So those ones can be applied on top or underneath. It's basically just to eradicate the lines and highlight your face. And it will do that whether it is on top or at the bottom. And it's also important to get a really good concealer, because I know some concealers, they actually wipe off as you try to blend them in, or they're not that visible. So I would suggest that you test them out and do some research in terms of brands. Like I said, I'm not promoting brands in this episode or series that I'm doing. This is just to give you tips on what you need to look for in order to eradicate certain things. So like I said, the green one is to eradicate the redness on the face. So if you have pimples or acne, inflamed skin, you need to get yourself a green concealer. So the individual ones, you get different types of ones. So the green will help you with that. Your reddish, orange ones are more for dark marks. even under eye circles you can use as well. Then also the white, I didn't chat to you guys about the white. See, that's why I have different types, because these small mini ones don't have all the colors. It's just basically different shades for different color people, and then 2 corrective ones, which is not a problem. I mean, depending on your budget, you can get that and you can eventually grow from there. This big one, however, has the white, also helps with brightening under eyes, that sort of thing, but that one is obviously used underneath your makeup. You will not add it on top, because lighter colors, what it does when you lighten the side of the inside of your face, this T panel basically, it draws the light more to that and actually makes your face look more angled. So for example, if you have a round face, you can actually, you know, makeup can be quite scary. I'm sure you guys have seen some of the videos where when the women take the makeup off and the guys are like, what is this, what she really looks like underneath? So the power of makeup, you can actually change your features as well, and a lot of women do it. They sculpt out their nose, contouring the face, that sort of thing, and that's not a problem. But concealer plays a great deal, as where light falls, your eyes drawn to where light falls. So this is why people highlight and that sort of thing as well, but that's a story for another episode. So that concludes my story on concealer. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video was helpful. Please do watch the next episode, and thank you guys once again.